Case for Huntsville police officer Brett Russell. Late this evening, a jury found Russell guilty. We broke that story on WAFF.com. Russell was immediately taken into custody and taken to the Morgan County Jail, where he will be kept in isolation. Russell used excessive force in 2011. Video shows him punching and kicking Gary Hopkins while he was handcuffed. WFF 48's Tiani Jones is live in our newsroom with the latest on this case. Tiani?
Kim, the prosecution argued that Russell plotted, planned, executed, and covered up the incident, and a jury tonight agreed.
By law, Huntsville police officer Brett Russell had to immediately be taken into custody, handcuffed, and carted off to jail after a jury of his peers found him guilty of violating the civil rights of a suspect. His attorney called the decision disappointing.
You had the two basic witnesses for the government admitted from the witness stand that they lied about a number of things, and to see 12 people of the community make a decision, we're disappointed about that.
It's always unfortunate when a police officer is engaged in illegal conduct, but the jury took it very serious and they reached the right outcome.
When the U.S. Attorney's Office wrapped up their case, they urged the jury to make an example of Russell. They believe this guilty verdict will send a strong message.
It's really important for the citizens to know that law enforcement officers are honest, trustworthy, and that they're out there to help. They're up there to protect and serve.
Russell's attorney wouldn't go into detail about the officer's reaction to the verdict, but he did hint that his fight may not be over.
Certainly he wants to consider whether or not he should appeal the issue, and that's something we have to talk about.
Sentencing will take place in 2 months, and it will be up to the court as to how long he'll spend in jail. Live in the newsroom, Tiani Jones, WAFF 48 News.
Since the indictment, Russell has been on administrative leave. Huntsville Police Chief Lewis Morris issued this statement tonight. What Officer Russell did was wrong and won't be tolerated in our police department. With today's verdict, we will immediately initiate termination proceedings, and we will move to expedite that process any way we can.